Hiccup, I'm freezing.
Come here. Where are the dragons? Toothless?
Stormfly? Yeah.
I see daylight.
We're gonna get out of here.
Look what they did.
They saved our lives.
So we're good now.
Good as new.
Okay, gotta go. Astrid! Astrid!
What took you so long?
Oh, thank Thor.
Come on, I told you guys,
Astrid!
I'm fine.
I know. Just drink.
Hiccup, I think
It's working.
Hiccup! Yes!
Astrid!
Thank Thor, you're okay.
I'm fine, but it's Toothless I'm worried about. We gotta hurry. Come on, Throg! Fire!
Hiccup!
Astrid! I gotcha.
But I agree.
Whoa! Okay, you've got to hold on tighter.
Oh, sorry.
Don't apologize. The truth is, obviously, I'm glad you're here. Astrid! Oh! Are you okay?
I'm fine. We should probably get going.
Yeah, you'll be okay, bud. This nightmare looks like it's finally over.
Are you sure about that, Hiccup?
Vigo. Well, let me guess. You want the dragon eye in exchange for Astrid. Wow, Vigo. Well, I guess when you put it that way... No, I'm not!
No!
That's it! Look out! Hiccup!